Hey, this is Marcus Extavor. I work on climate and energy and environment innovation at XPRIZE. Everyone seems to be talking about carbon capture today. Even Elon Musk tweeted about it, which I love. I saw in a lot of the chat and comment people were saying, well, what is carbon capture? Carbon capture is a way to fight climate change. It's a way to prevent our CO2 emissions from getting out into the atmosphere and into the oceans. A really cool aspect of this is carbon removal, which specifically means taking existing emissions that are already up there in the air or already dissolved in the oceans and trying to physically take them out. That will help bring our Earth system back into balance. Now, a lot of people in the comments were saying, let's just use trees. We have to use trees. We love that idea. But it turns out trees alone aren't enough. The great thing about carbon removal is there's a lot of different ways to do it. We can use trees. We can use agriculture. We can restore coastal wetlands. We can use marine and ocean ecosystems. But also things like rocks and minerals can remove CO2. We can even engineer, design, and build our own systems, hardware systems, to physically take CO2 directly out of the air. We have to turn off our CO2 emissions, and we have to capture some of them. But we also are going to have to remove a lot of the CO2 that's already built up over time. Those three things together, that's how we meet our Paris Agreement goals. That's how we solve this climate challenge. We have to innovate our way out of this. So let's do it.